How to set up your recording environment for voice cloning. First of all, you have to use a high quality microphone to record your sentences. Potion's AI requires you to record about 30 sentences for it to understand how you speak, and using a high quality microphone ensures that your voice is captured as perfectly as it can. I'm using this little guy. It's a Quadcast HyperX microphone. Um, you don't have to use as fancy as this one, but make sure you don't use the default one that you have in your laptop or a Windows machine that you're using. Second thing is you have to make sure that there is no background noise when you record your sentences. There's no traffic background noise, there's no ceiling fans or heaters going on. Just try to record your sentences in as quiet of a place as you can. That ensures a high quality of recording and consequently high quality of AI output. Third thing is you have to speak like how you naturally speak. Use a neutral tone of voice. By neutral, I mean baseline simple tone, like how you would speak with friends, and not super high pitch, not super. Don't try to be super low. And if you use a neutral tone of voice, the AI will pick that up and produce the right quality of sound. There are certain limitations to the AI. Right now, the AI can only generate name greetings, but once we expand on this feature, the AI will be able to generate any words and phrases in your own voice. Although right now it only does greetings with names. You don't have to retrain the AI to expand on these features. If the AI is not accurate enough with your sentences, we'll ask you to train it with more sentences. But by and large, about 30 sentences recording is good enough for the AI to learn how you speak. The 30 sentences recording takes about 3 to 5 minutes, so it's not a big chunk of your time. And the second limitation of the AI is that it cannot produce clean sounding output if the training sentences are recorded with background noise or low quality microphones. So as I mentioned earlier, higher the quality of the output is directly proportional to if you're recording in a background noise free environment and with a high quality microphone. So keep that in mind, record your AI sentences and let Potion's AI clone your voice.